Okay children, now let's start doing the very interesting exercise. Just listen here, look at each picture and going to write the word. Okay, we are going to write a word. You are going to complete the sentence. Okay, we are going to complete the sentence. Okay, now just listen, don't be very confused. It's not a big issue. Just listen carefully children. I make you to easily to write it. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, what is this? This is hen. What is this? This is hen. Okay, it is a hen. Ha. What is the first sound you are hearing? Ha. Okay, you put H. Okay, now next listen, next sound H. H. Hen. In. Okay, E. Then N. Hen. Okay, now just listen the next picture. What is this? Cat. Cat. Okay, hearing? Yes. How you all of you telling very correctly? Well done children. Cat. What is the sound of the Which letters will gives us a sound Yes, Then T. Very good. Kurt. Okay, what is this? This is pot. Okay, you are hearing pot. Okay, now listen children. What is this? This is van. You hearing? Okay, then he put V. Okay, then an van. Okay children, did you clear about it? Did you understand very well? Okay, just one more time I am just revising children. See it carefully. What is this? This is hen. Hen. Okay, this is cat. Cat. Then this is pot. Pot. And this is van. Actually, we have seen this 3-letter word already, but we are doing this 3-letter word in activity for the first time. Okay, you can understand better than that alphabetic sound, isn't it children? Do you understand this very well? Okay, next we are moving to see the next set of words. Okay children, next we are going to see next two set of words. Sound of the letter C and H sounds ch. What is the sound of the letter C? K. Is it K. Okay, but we have to pronounce it like ch. Okay, now I am going to keep the 3-letter word here. For example, A-I-N. Ch. What is the sound of the letter C and H? Chain. Okay, you have to pronounce it like ch. Okay, what is the sound of the C and H? Ch, isn't it? What is the sound of the letter A? What is the sound of the letter I? E. And what is the sound of the letter N? In. Okay, why you are calling here N as in? Because the N comes end of the word here, isn't it? So now just pronounce it like in chain. In chain. In chain. Okay, now we are getting, now we are reading the 5-letter word, isn't it? Very easily, isn't it? Okay, in chain. C-H-A-I-N chain. Okay, C-H-A-I-N chain. One more time I am telling children, the sound of the letter C and H is ch. What is the sound of the letter C and H? Ch. Ch-A-A-N. Chain. Okay, now just recall you again. What is the sound of this 2 letter C and H? Ch. What is the sound of the letter A? Ch. Okay, now I am keeping I. What is the sound of the letter I? E. Chai. And what is the sound of the letter N? In. Chain. Now you are reading? Yes. Okay, you are reading. Very good. I can understand. Okay, now I am going to introduce the next letter, 3-letter word, which is C-H-I-P-S. Okay, now just listen carefully children. What is the sound of the letter C and H? Ch. ch. Okay. But then what is the sound of the letter I? E. And what is the sound of the letter P? And what is the sound of the letter this? Yes. Ch, ups, chips, chips, chips. Okay. Now I'm just keeping here to understand, to make you understand so better. Okay. Just keep it here. What is the sound of the C and H? Ch, ch. Okay. Now I'm just keeping I here. Ch, ch, ch. We have to end it with E sound. Ch, ch. Okay. Now I'm just keeping letter P here. What is the sound now? Chip, chip, chip. Okay. Now just keep it yes here. Then you got the sound chips, chips, chips. Okay. Now you are reading the 5-letter word very easily. Okay. Shall we go for the next 3-letter words? Yes. Okay, now I'm going to tell O, yes, E. Okay, now just tell me correctly. CH, what is the sound of the letter CH? Ch, 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 O's, ch. O-S-E, chos, chos. Okay, let me tell you very clearly. Just listen carefully, children. What is the sound of the letter C and S? Ch. Okay, what is the sound of the 2-letter word? Ch. Okay, now I'm keeping first O, cho. Okay, then keeping again one O. It should be sound like so long. Cho, cho. Okay, now I'm keeping letter S here. Then pronounce it like chos. Chos. Okay, now I'm keeping E here. Okay, now I'm keeping E here. Then it pronounced like chos, 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 choose. One is you can say choose or chos. Choose, choose. C-H-O-O-S-E. Okay, C-H-O-O-S-E. Chose, chose. Okay, now I'm going to introduce the next set of words. A, L, K. Okay, now just listen carefully, children. What is the sound of CH? Ch, 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 a, ik, chalk. Ch, a, ik, chalk. Okay, now I'm making you to clear mode. Just listen carefully. What is the sound of this 2-letter? Ch. What is the sound of the 2-letter? Ch. Okay, I'm keeping A here. Okay, then it pronounced ch, ch, ch. Okay, now I'm keeping L here. The sound of the L is L. Chal, chal, chal. Okay, now I'm keeping K. K. What is the sound of the K sound? K. Chalk, chalk. You hearing the chalk sound? Yes, chalk. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. Okay, you know the chalk piece, isn't it? Your ma'am will write on the board using the chalk piece, isn't it? Am I right or not? Yes. Okay, tell me one more time. The sound of CH is cha. What is the sound of the CH? Cha. Okay, now we have seen the so many 4 letters and 5 letters word using the single sound CH. What is the sound of the word CH? Cha. What is the sound of the 2-letter word CH? Cha. Cha. Okay, children, let's go to the one more activity. Next, we are going to see about 2 or 3 letters word with having the same 2 letters word beginning of the word. Okay, we are going to see about 3 to 4 letter word, but first 2 letter word going to be remain same. Let's see what is the sound of the letter T and H. Ta. What is the sound of the letter TH? Ta. Okay, I'm just keeping E here. Okay, then it sounds the. Okay, the sound of the E is the. T-H-E, the. Okay, children. Okay, now I'm going to keep the letter A. The. Let's see. T-H-A, isn't it? Okay, the. Then I'm keeping T here. What is the sound of the A and T? At. We have studied already. What is the sound of the letter A and D? At. A and T? At. The. At. That. The. At. That. Okay. I will tell you again clearly. Listen carefully, children. The sound of the letter T and H is the, isn't it? We have seen already the sound of the letter A and T is at. So I'm just keeping here A and T here. Now tell me correctly, what is the sound of the letters T, H, A, T? The, at. The, at. The, at. Okay, very good. Okay, now I'm going to keep letter E. Okay, we have seen already. What is this? T, H, E, the. Okay, now I'm keeping yum here. Okay, now you're getting the sound the, them, the, them. Okay, children, did you clearly understand? Listen carefully. I kept TH, the. Okay, I'm keeping here E here, then it sounds like the. I told you already, isn't it? Now I'm keeping yum here. Okay, then it sounds the, them. Them. Okay, now I'm keeping next two letter word. First letter is I. T H I. Okay, I. Now I'm keeping yen. Thin. 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 Okay, we have seen the sound of the two letter word I and yen, isn't it? I and n. Okay, what is the sound of the word I and n? In. Okay, what is the sound of the letter T H? Okay, in thin. In thin. Okay, children, now we are going to do a next letters. What is the sound of the letter U? Isn't it? Thumb, thumb. Thumb. What does it mean by thumb? This is a thumb, isn't it? We are giving a thumbs up, isn't it? Thumbs down, thumbs up and thumbs down. Okay, what is the sound of the letter TH? Th, isn't it? What is the sound of the letter U? What is the sound of the letter M? And what is the sound of the letter B? Thumb, thumb, thumb. Now we are reading 4 to 5 letters word easily, isn't it? Okay, now I'm going to introduce the next set of words. Okay, listen. T H A. Okay, now I'm going to keep yen here. Now we are hearing, yen here. Now I'm keeping yen here. Tan. Okay, at the end it will comes, we have to say tan. Okay, now I'm keeping here K. Tank. Okay, what is the sound of the TH? First listen, what is the sound of the TH? Ta. Okay, I'm keeping ta. I'm keeping yen. Tan. I'm keeping K. K sounds K. Tank. Thank you. Okay, now hearing the sound of thank. Yes, did you understand very well? Okay, do you enjoying the class? Okay, children, we are going to do next.